friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Ducati Panigale V2. The name sounds is very exciting and Indian traditional has been added to this name. And before going to start the video, please subscribe to MotorBeast channel for the more updates and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So let's start the video guys quickly. So friends, this is a Ducati Panigale V2. Firstly, let's start from the front part. Coming to the front part, here you can see the visor. It has a transparent visor and it is very helpful in the higher speeds. And coming to the front, here you can see the headlights position is very awesome, attractive and aggressive looks with the red treatment. And coming to the headlights, here you can see the projected LEDs and DRS also in the small size of headlights has been added to this bike, and very attractive at the night view, and also with a very sharp and laser treatment has been added to this headlights position as very nice. And coming to the front suspension, fully adjustable BPF Rogue 43 mm of chromed inner tubes has been added to this front suspension. It is not a regular suspension like a telescopic shock absorbers before it has been had, and this is a special suspension to this vehicle. And coming to the tire profile, comes with a front as a 120/70 inches the front tire, with the tire size comes with a 431.8 mm. Tubeless tires has been provided on this vehicle, with the alloy wheels are very attractive with the black finish, and disc front comes with a dual disc with 320 mm of disc size. Each disc comes with a 320 mm of dual disc. And coming to other side, here you can see the side profile Ducati badge, and Panigale V2 has been written at the side profile with the red treatment on this bike is very nice. Only single color will be provided on this vehicle, and this is a limited edition vehicles. And so coming to the engine placement, Super Squad 4 twin cylinder 4 valves Dismodrum engine has been given to this vehicle with a 955cc displacement engine on this vehicle Ducati V2. Coming to the power of the vehicle, 155 PS of power at 10,750 RPM and 104 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM on this vehicle, with the 2 cylinders 4 valves per each cylinder. Liquid cool engine on this offer, obviously with a sports bike. Coming to other side, here you can see the chain drive self start only, obviously sports bike vehicles with a fuel injection on this BS6 vehicle. Clutch comes with a hydraulic control, slippery and self servo wet multiple clutch, and 6-speed manual transmission with a smooth shift and 100 mm bore with a 60.8 mm stroke. The comparison ratio comes with a 12:5:1 on this vehicle, on this BS6 2021 vehicle. So these are the engine placements, very nice on this super sports bike. Dual channel ABS, Bluetooth connectivity, digital console. There are total 4 modes on offer on this vehicle, with the sports mode, street mode, race mode, and also with the power mode. There are traction controls has been given on this vehicle, obviously of this heavy bike, and navigation system has been given with a quick shifter of this gearbox, and EBS system has been added to this vehicle also. And coming to the rear profile, comes with all the LED treatments and indicators. All the four indicators has been given in the LED treatments. And number plate position is also very nice on its offer. The pillion seat is somehow height, and driver position seat is also very nice and very sporty feeling of these positions of the bike. And coming to the suspension of the rear suspension comes with a fully adjustable scratch unit of aluminium. Single sided swing arm has been given to this rear suspension. And coming to the rear tire profile, comes with a 180/60/17 inches. Rear tire size comes with a 431.8 mm. Tubeless tires, obviously both the 17 inches tires with the alloy wheels, and also with the disc size comes with the rear 245 mm of rear disc size. This bike Ducati Panigale V2 as named after the small manufacturer, and it came in the 2019 and announced in the 2020 year, came officially launched in India. And this is a 2021 variant. Now I'm showing in the red treatment. Coming to the additional features, there are wheels control has been given on this vehicle with the throttle control, engine breakup control, data analyzer, GPS, multimedia system, and also with the auto tire calibration. And one of the best feature of this bike is comes with the instrument cluster. A 4.3-inch TFT screen has been given to this bike of instrument cluster, and there are a lot of information on this instrument cluster. Sorry friends, I'm not showing the instrument cluster because of the battery has been dead on this vehicle. I'm showing the walk around video. Please hit comments for the test drive of the vehicle. And coming to the low fuel indicator has been also added to this instrument cluster. And coming to the left side handlebars, here you can see the indicators, horn, high beam, low beam, self start button, also with the instrument cluster adjustable off screen. And right side handlebars comes with the engine kill switch, self start button, and other light switch has been given to this, and engine kill switch and self start button given in the single switch. And handlebars position is very nice and wide enough in the city rides, also with the highways. And also this is specially made for 1000cc for track version. And chassis and suspension is also very nice. I have impressed very lot on this thing. Coming to the chassis, monochrome aluminum chassis has been given on this vehicle, and body type comes with a super sports bike of this V2. And coming to the other side of dimensions of the vehicle, 840 mm of saddle height has been given on this vehicle, 1436 mm of wheelbase on this vehicle, longer wheelbase. And weight of the vehicle comes with a 176, much lesser weight with the carbon fiber has been used on this vehicle. Because of that, the low weight has been given, and also with a 17 liters of fuel tank capacity on this vehicle. We should not expect the mileage of the vehicle. And coming to the comparison of the vehicle, there are total 4 bikes of comparison in the market. So of this 1000cc, there are total 4 bikes. Comes with the BMW S1000RR of this V2 engine, and also other side comes with the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, one of my favorite, and also with the BMW R1250R and Kawasaki ZH2. Also comes competition, heavy competition of this 1000cc engines, all the displacements bikes in the market. And finally the price of the vehicle, I know they're waiting for the price of the vehicle, and price comes with the on-road Hyderabad 20 lakhs, ex-showroom Hyderabad 20 lakhs 96,000 of this Ducati Panigale V2. Overall, this is a walk-on video of Ducati Panigale V2. How's the video? Please hit comments, and if you want to test drive the video, please hit comments, and please subscribe to MotoBiz channel and press the bell icon for the more updates, and follow me on Instagram guys for the more updates before only. And see you guys in the next video with another vlog and another sports bike. So bye bye guys.